Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this screencast, we'll be sharing with you how you can pixelate out someone's face using Photoshop. This is a handy technique if you ever want to use a photograph of somebody but don't want their face to be recognizable. So we want to start off by selecting the lasso tool, and we're just going to draw a rough selection around their face. The most important part is to ensure that any of the recognizable features have been selected within that selection, such as their mouth, their eyes, and their nose. And then we're going to head over to Filter, Pixelate, and we're going to select Mosaic, and we're just going to increase the cell size to be about 40, so it's not recognizable, and we're going to select OK. And there you go, it's pixelated out the images of the person's facial features. Hope this is a handy tutorial and a technique that you can use in future design projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.